Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2x plus 6 by x square minus 1 is equals to a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 and we have to find the value of a and b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2x plus 6 by x square minus 1 we can write it as 1 square. And here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equals to, if we take the LCM, x minus 1 times x plus 1 is equals to a times x plus 1 plus b times x minus 1. Now we can cancel out this denominator because both are same. So what is left? 2x plus 6 is equals to ax plus a plus bx minus b. So 2x plus 6 is equals to ax plus bx plus a minus b. So 2x plus 6 is equals to, if I'll take x as common, so a plus b. If I'll take 1 as common, so a minus b. Now if we compare both sides, x with x and number with number, so a plus b is equals to 2. This is our equation number 1, and a minus b is equals to 6. Now I'm going to use the elimination method. So I'm going to add both the equations. So a plus b plus a minus b is equals to 2 plus 6. So 2a is equals to 8. A is equals to 8 by 2, that is 4. Now you can put the value of a either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. So a plus b is equals to 2. 4 plus b is equals to 2. B is equals to 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. So the value of a is 4 and b is negative 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.